Call ASAP on this one. Available 6 months plus. This completely furnished pool home in Peridea is now available and features 2 bedrooms, an office, 2 bathrooms and a 2-car garage. When you enter the home, you will appreciate the open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and the quality furnishings. All main areas, including the master bedroom, have ceramic tile. Peridea has an 18-hole executive golf course, a gorgeous renovated clubhouse with restaurant and nice bar, tennis courts, year-round heated pool and the most delicious Sunday brunch. Membership is optional. This location is a short car ride to the most beautiful beaches in the world and plenty of shopping and dining nearby. Home is available in late May. Schedule your showing today. Pool care and lawn care are included in the rent,